Hi, Melvin Olivenza here, Sales Executive from Isuzu Gencars Sta, Rosa, and today we'll be talking about Isuzu tips and tricks. Let's go! As one of the most reliable automotive companies since 1916, Isuzu has remained the world leader in diesel engineering. Changing your engine oil is one of the most important things you can do to ensure a longer engine lifespan. We recommend you to follow your periodic maintenance service schedule in your warranty booklet. Always check your battery and keep it clean all the time because battery provides the power when you start your engine and all electronics in your vehicle. It is important to keep it healthy all the time. Inside of your engine, many moving parts create friction, and oil lubricates these components and reduces friction, making it the lifeblood of your engine. Before going on a long drive, be sure to always check your vehicle fluids, specifically engine oil, engine coolant, brake fluids, transmission fluids, power steering fluids, and windshield washer.